Hello everyone, my name is Dina. I am a designer and a furniture artist. In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you a trick to fix air bubbles and missing adhesive areas in your decoupage paper. For air bubbles, use a needle and poke a small hole in the middle of the air bubble. Then push the air gently out of your decoupage paper. For areas where you are missing adhesive, use a syringe, disposable syringe, fill it with Mod Podge. Please make sure that you don't poke yourself with the needle, and make sure to dispose it correctly after finishing your work. After filling the adhesive, use the pointy tip and poke a small hole in the area where you have missing adhesive. Push it through gently, just like that. Then seal it with your hand gently. And you can also use a tool to also push gently if you have any air or extra adhesive. This trick works best when your adhesive is still not dry and before applying the final seal on top of your decoupage paper. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more tricks and hacks for furniture upcycling. Thank you for watching and see you next time.